Hi, this video is going to be about changing the cartridge or cleaning the cartridges on a swimming pool with cartridge filtration system. There's a couple of different systems. I've had a pool with a diatomaceous earth filter before, and there's sand filter. I worked at a pool with a sand filter, but now I have cartridge filters. So what happens is, and the reason I'm doing it now, we're going to go to me actually performing it, but it kind of got dark on me on the end, and I apologize for that. But basically, in my filter, and a lot of them, you have 4 cartridge filters that fit inside this casing, and the water runs through and it filters, and you have chlorine and all that stuff. But over time, it starts to bog down a little bit. The pressure gets high, and that's when you can tell it's starting to get dirty. And there's a little pressure gauge on it, and every pool's a little bit different. You'll learn your pool, and there's like a dirty, clean, and dirty setting. Basically, put it on clean as soon as you change the filters or clean them, and then you'll watch it go up, and the pressure will go up as the filters get a little bit more dirty. Time is different depending on how much you use the pool and that sort of thing. But my pool had gotten too dirty, and you can also tell the circulation's not that good because the pressure is really high. So I needed to change the filters. But the way I do it, I'm going to clean them. I have an extra set of filters, and I always clean the old set and keep them ready and waiting to put in, and then just take the old ones and then immediately put them back in the other set, so that I don't have to have the pool down for any time. So it's always good to have 2 sets, and I keep a set ready. Just hose them off a little bit before I put them in there. Take the other ones out, soak them for 24 hours, leave them in the garage until it's time to change again. Then I'll take them out and hose them down too. So we're going to go to the video of me cleaning, just cleaning the clean ones, but I do hose them down because they've been in the garage and got a little dusty. But they're ready to go, and we'll change it out. Thanks. Hi, this is Preston Sandlin with Home Inspection Carolina, and today we want to talk about cleaning your pool filters. This pool has 4 of these cartridge filters, and what I have found is actually to have a spare 4 cartridges. See, what happens is, this is your cartridge. We're going to go out there in a minute. I'm sort of doing this in reverse order, but on purpose. I keep a spare set. And there's a little dial out there on the cartridge, and you notice that it'll say, the dial will say clean or dirty, and as they get a little bit more and more clogged, they go towards the dirty. So when you switch them, you can take those out, clean them out, do all that, and put them right back. But I like to have a spare set that's ready to go at any time. So what I do is, I buy a garbage can that's never been used, for garbage anyway, and I put the cartridge cleaner in there and let it soak as soon as I get them out. And that's what I did with these way back. Now that was about 6 months ago, and I noticed now that my clean ones are now dirty. So I am going to put these clean ones back in there, but I'm also going to give them, since they've been sitting in the garage, a little last cartridge filter cleaner spray, but they have been soaked a while back. So then I'm going to take the dirty filters out, the ones that we just take out, and I'm going to put them in here. I can put all 4 in and put a detergent and let them soak overnight, and then I'll let them sit in the garage until these hit their point where they're saying they're dirty, and then I'll take them out and do one last little filter cleaner. But this way my pool really never goes very long at all being offline. So let's get started. We're going to, like I said, these have already So we're going back here to change filter, and I'm up against daylight here. Hopefully it won't get too dark on me. So first thing we're going to do is turn the system off, obviously. We're going to drain out some of this water, but we need to give it some air intake here if we're going to let it out here. Because it's really hard to open that thing with a lot of water. So that'll make it a lot easier. So then we're going to start unscrewing the little belt loop thing here. And that's draining out. I opened it down there and I opened so it could take in air for that displaced air, or else there'll be like a really big bad suction on it. So we're going to undo this and do that. Go. Take the, just set that where I know where it'll be. Get off here. Take that off. Oh my gosh. Got quite a suction on it right now. Let me turn this off for just a second. Equal out, and then I can take it off. Oh gosh. There we go. And you can see those filters are pretty dirty. Pretty dirty indeed. And we are going to soak those up. So we're going to replace these dirty filters. Let's put in some clean filter. Get all of that. Oh wow, really dirty too. Man, this pool is going to filter a lot better as we get done with it. Just wish it wasn't fighting daylight. Ooh, wow. I wonder, this thing is definitely dirty. These filters definitely needed to be switched out. Wow, I wish it was daylight. You could see how dirty these things are. But we're going to put the clean ones in and be back in business. Really need better light. Okay, sorry it is so dark. Okay, let's put the clean ones in. And see if we can start getting some